Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource. Today we're diving into SleepScore.com, a platform dedicated to helping you understand and improve your sleep. Located at www.sleepscore.com, this website offers a range of resources and tools designed to optimize your sleep habits. They offer a variety of options, from detailed sleep tracking and analysis to personalized recommendations and insights. SleepScore provides several approaches to monitor your sleep. You can use their dedicated sleep tracking app, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. This app leverages your smartphone sensors to gather data about your sleep patterns throughout the night. Alternatively, you can integrate SleepScore with other wearable trackers that you might already own, expanding its compatibility and providing more flexibility in how you track your data. For those seeking the most advanced sleep tracking technology, SleepScore offers its own proprietary sensor that sits on your nightstand and monitors your sleep without requiring any wearables. By utilizing SleepScore's resources, you can gain a deeper understanding of your own sleep patterns. The platform generates detailed reports based on the data collected, identifying trends and potential areas for improvement. This data can be incredibly valuable in pinpointing factors affecting your sleep quality. You can also use SleepScore to experiment with different sleep strategies and then track the impact those changes have on your overall sleep health. The goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools to take control of your sleep and improve your overall well-being. The SleepScore website provides further details on their different products and subscriptions, so be sure to check them out.